guys, Amores, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing a Boxycharm box by Ipsy. We're gonna unboxing this box today. This is the box for August. Yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So pretty much what they're doing now, like I had said before, if you guys don't know who are watching, who are new, they give you 2 power picks that they choose for you, and you choose 3 other products. Everything is on the Ipsy app, so you can see everything that you get in your Boxycharm there. It has descriptions, how to use it, and all that good stuff. I'm going to show you guys everything in this box, and then I'm going to do a try on. I'm also going to show you like things that I picked and the things that they picked for me. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's open this up, and here we have it. That always falls, but here's everything, kind of like an overview. So the first thing that I'm grabbing here, this is the Watermelon Dream Dallas and James skincare coat. This is called Cloud Dream with Cloudberry. Is Cloudberry like an actuary? Because that's the cutest freaking name ever. It took forever for me to get the plastic out, like the wrapper. Oh my god, okay, so this looks so pretty. Look at this packaging, like it's so heavy and sturdy and fancy. Yo, this is pretty, and it's pink. Hydrating watermelon antioxidant, super fruit cloudberry, and pore perfecting niacinamide. What? Also, I picked this. I almost forgot to tell you guys. I picked this. This is one of the things that I picked. This right here, it's a moisturizer. This retails for $48, and it says that it's a lightweight moisturizer and that it's supposed to give you like a glowy skin, and it's good for all skin types. So this is, honestly, this is just so cute. It's pink. It's so cute. You know what? It doesn't really have a smell. Alright, so let's move on to the next product here. And I have, this is by Ciatelando. This is Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. Ooh. I love all this fruity like theme we're having because of, like, you know, summer. So this is actually pretty cool. If I can get this to open. Look how cute this is. It has a freaking bow. Oh, that's you. And this is like the sides. Hopefully you can see it. So this powder right here they picked for me. This is a translucent setting powder, as you can see. And it says that it's supposed to feel weightless and give you like a soft shimmer in your skin, and it is not supposed to feel drying because of the watermelon extract. You also have hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. That's really interesting. That's pretty cool. I wonder though if it smells like watermelon, because I would love it. Anything watermelon I absolutely love. Oh my god, this smells like watermelon. This setting powder is very, very fine. It just flies all over the place. Too much, but it's on my hand. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty mattifying, and is very, very soft. This is extremely soft and like fine powder. So the next product that we have here, it is the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer Smooth and Pore Covering. That's such a funny play of words. No Pore Blem. So this primer is $18. This is something that I chose. I love trying new primers, and they didn't really have other things that was like makeup related. They had like hair stuff and I was like, so it says here that this helps with big pores, wrinkles, uneven texture, and that not only does it make them smoother, but it's supposed to have oil control for your skin and to hydrate your skin. I thought that's really interesting because honestly my skin has been extremely oily. It's been so bad, so I hope this really helps with my makeup because honestly I need the help. It has green tea tree extract and soluble collagen. Sorry if I don't know how to pronounce that. I will put the name on this cream, and it says that's supposed to help with like plumping the skin, decreasing the look of fine lines and the look of wrinkles, and just give you like a radiant complexion overall. So I really hope it does what it says it does. Okay. Next thing we have here is the El Mikash. This is a lip gloss. This retails for $27 and this is in the shape Lip Service PDA. This is what it looks like, y'all. Like, there's not much to the outside packaging. Oh, dude, this is fancy. Look how pretty. Oh my god. This shit is heavy. This is a lip glaze. That's the one. The lip gloss doesn't smell like anything, but that is a very pretty color. Personally, I don't like wands like this. They're always kind of uncomfortable, so I'm like, the packaging is so cute. Why did they make the wand like that? So the last thing that we have in here is the Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow by Violet Boss. Oh my god. Some of them came broken. This came with 2 shadows broken. As you can see right here, they literally just fell out and I just had to vacuum it off my carpet because they were crumbling, and if I sprayed anything or wiped it, it was gonna smear all over the carpet and we're not gonna have that. They're so pretty. They're like the prettiest shimmers in there and they had to fucking break, bro. What the fuck? I'm low-key kind of upset right now. Alright, so I swatched the 2 shades that literally broke and they're literally so freaking pretty. And then I swatched 2 matte colors. Honestly, the matte colors feel very chalky. They feel very inconsistent and very chalky and I don't like that. I can't believe those shimmers came broken. They're literally so freaking pretty. Moving on from the broken eyeshadow, this palette retails for $37 and this is a power pick that they chose for me. So Boxycharm chose this, I didn't. That's everything in the box, you guys, and let's move on to trying them out because I'm very excited to try them on. So let's move on and get into it. So we're gonna start with this moisturizer and I'm just gonna put a couple drops on my fingers. This moisturizer feels very light. This is very thin moisturizer, which I really like thin moisturizers. This almost feels like water based. I wonder if it is. Wow, this is actually drying pretty quickly, but I can tell it's still not like absorbing into my skin. I'm just gonna do a couple more minutes and then we'll be right back. So we're gonna move on to this primer and I'm just gonna put some. Oh my god. This smells really good. It feels like extremely soft. It feels like a silicone primer. My pores look any different. I think a little bit. Unless I'm like, do they really? Can you guys tell? I don't know. I just let that settle while I did my eyebrows. looks pretty. Wow, it looks really nice. Like, look at this side. This is just with the primer on, and then you look at this side. The foundation looks really good. This is what the foundation looked like on top of that primer. Get closer. I think it looks pretty good. I think it did make my pores like smaller, especially on my cheeks, because they're the biggest, and right here they're the biggest as well. So let's set everything with the powder. Here it is. I use a fluffy brush for this. Wow, it picked up a lot. I just set everything. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. Wow, look how pretty it set my skin. This is without setting, and this is with the setting powder. Now, this is my whole face set with the powder. I really like this. It does have like a tiny glowing effect, but it's a very soft powder. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it, but the word soft. Wow, I think this is gonna be like my favorite powder now, because look how pretty my skin looks. Okay guys, so let's try out the palette. So I'm going to start with Veryland, and I'm gonna put that color all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with Muted Mulberry. Wow, that's a really pretty color. Oh, look at that color. It's really pretty. Now we're gonna go into Glamberry, and I'm gonna try out this color right here. Now I'm gonna go with Very Sherry right here. This is so pretty. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I like it. I'm gonna put my glasses back on so I can see better. I really like this eyeshadow. It blends really easily. The only thing is that the shimmer colors are like has a lot of fallout, so I don't like that. So I would probably have to do my eyes first and then my foundation, which I don't mind. But yeah, it was a pretty good palette. The pigment was good. There's not a lot to say about it, but it was a pretty good palette. It didn't blow me away, you know, but it wasn't like super bad either, so I would say it was pretty good. Now let's try the lip gloss. See, this looks orange on me. Like, this looks like a coral color. I feel like this is the kind of lip gloss that looks good with the lip liner. It looks cute, but I don't love it. It feels very thick, and yeah, it feels very thick, kind of velvety. It doesn't really, it's not really sticky, so that's good. Also, for the quality of this packaging and how pretty it looks, this one kind of sucks. I really think they could have put a better one. Like, if you're gonna make the packaging look this pretty, put a really nice one on your lip gloss. I don't like this one. Like, this feels cheap, and maybe they should have invested more in the one than the packaging because it don't matter how cute this lip gloss look. If the one feels bad on my lips, I'm not gonna fucking use it. Anyways, that is all for today, guys. Those are all the products. My favorite, honestly, was that powder. That powder was really pretty, and it's just like, it's like a mist almost. It's just so pretty. I think that's my favorite thing on the whole palette. I'm kind of sad that a couple of freaking eyeshadows like broke in that palette that we got, and it's just like, they're so pretty, and they literally like just fell out as soon as I opened the damn thing. But you know what? it's whatever. It's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make it. I love making videos like this. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below what's your favorite thing that we try out today. What would you like to try out? And please subscribe if you haven't, if you want to see more videos like this on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Be happy and smile.